All right, game on. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on Painfully Honest Advice. All right, like every month, I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 stocks that I am going to be buying throughout the month of July. Excited to go ahead and share this with you guys as my portfolio just hit all-time new highs. We're sitting at $141,000 in my bucket list portfolio. Very excited about that, guys. So I am going to go ahead and share with you guys 5 stocks. 2 of these stocks are actually pretty new positions in my portfolio. One I started last month and a brand new position that I'm recently starting. I'm going to go ahead and share that with you guys in this video as well. A lot of these names are going to be growth names because I do believe as long as interest rates are down and people are able to borrow at such a low interest rate, there's going to be a lot of potential in these growth names. Now, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. But we're going to go ahead, jump right into it. Now, the first stock on this list that I am buying, this is one of my newer positions that I just started last month. A stock that I should have invested in a long time ago. That's going to be with Amazon. Now, Amazon, obviously, I'm sure we've all heard of Amazon at this point, does have a subscription model. They have a 2-day prime delivery. Basically, you can order anything from Amazon, get it to your house in 2 days. I love this app and I've been using Amazon for over 5 years at this point. And unfortunately, I just started investing in it now, but I do believe it's still not too late to go ahead and invest in this company because I see there's going to be a lot of room and potential for growth with them. Amazon's looking to go ahead and get into brick and mortar pharmacies as well. So we'll see if that happens. Plus, guys, they have a crap load of money. They have a lot of money on their balance sheet, and at this point, they don't know what to do with that. So I do believe that this company may start paying out dividends in the future as well. And Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett did start investing in this company over the last year or so as well. And usually Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett do not invest in companies that don't pay out dividend and usually invest in a bit safer companies. So I like this company all around because I do believe that Amazon does have a great ecosystem at this point. And I just don't see them going anywhere anytime soon. I believe they're just going to keep taking majority share when it comes down to consumers spending their money, where you can go ahead and basically buy anything and you don't have to go to a Walmart or a Target or Sam's Club. You can literally go ahead and just buy it from sitting at your house. So I did start a very small position in this company. I have about $500 invested so far, but this is a company that I'm going to be aggressively investing into for the remainder of this month. Now, as far as Amazon goes, the current price Amazon's trading at is right around $3,400. But I do believe before the end of this year, the stock is easily going to cross over $4,000, and it has the potential to 5x over the next 5 years. So a company that I'm very bullish on. Now, let's go ahead and jump into a brand new investment that I started in this portfolio. This is going to be one that I'm buying into throughout this month. Now, I did go ahead and put a little bit more money in this investment. This is going to be with Twilio. Now, Twilio is basically a business-to-business company, B2B company, basically. What they do is they have a platform, or I should say a software that you can go ahead and purchase from them and sync it into your application to go ahead and communicate easier with your consumers. So basically, simply saying what this company does, and they do an extremely good job with this, is you can go ahead and license their software and customize the software behind the scenes with your website, and you can basically go ahead and communicate with your customers through text messaging or through emails, and it's seamless. I like this company because now they have a contract with over 500 different companies. When I started researching this company, they were only with about 25 different companies, and that was less than a year ago. And at that point, if they lost one of their customers, that was going to take a huge hit on their revenues. But at this point, they have over 500 customers, and I believe this company is going to become one of the leaders in their space. So I did start a position in this company as well. And I have about $1,100 that I did go ahead and invest right up front into this company. And I'm up a little bit, so that's nice. But as far as the stock price goes, the stock price is currently trading at right around $385. I do believe this company is easily going to be about $500 before the end of this year, but it has a lot more room to grow because this is a small cap company that has a lot of potential. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the third one. Now, the third one on this list is going to be a company that I've had in my portfolio for a while, but I did go ahead and start investing more in this company, and that's because they literally have the strongest ecosystem, in my opinion, out of any company out there, and they have the largest market cap. This is going to be with Apple. Apple basically sucks you right into their ecosystem. Once you're sucked into their ecosystem, it's literally impossible to get out because they make everything so seamless. Any new device that you buy from Apple, anything that you want to connect to your device, along with all the apps that they have on their platform, they have one of the strongest ecosystems. I do believe there's a lot of rumors coming out that Apple may be working on an electric vehicle or full self-driving vehicle. If that happens, I do believe this company is gonna go ahead and explode. I mean, if they can go ahead and figure that out, they are gonna go ahead and compete. Either they'll be first or second place along with Tesla, in my opinion. Now with Apple, in my current portfolio, this is one of my larger positions. I have a little bit over $18,000 in my current value in this company, and currently they're trading at right around $137 a share. So extremely bullish. I do believe that this company will cross $200 before the end of this year. They have a lot going on as far as their revenue goes, as far as their subscription model goes. They recently just got into more and more on the subscription model side. I think all their different business avenues that they're focused on are gonna go throughout the year, and when their numbers come out, I think this company's gonna do extremely well and their stock price is gonna go up. So another stock that I'm bullish on, that I'm investing in throughout the remainder of this month. Now, the last two stocks are going to be stocks that do also pay out a dividend. Very bullish on both of these stocks. I have had these stocks in my portfolio for a little while, but this is the time that I'm investing in these companies. So the next one here is going to be JPMorgan Chase. Now, JPMorgan Chase is the largest banking financial institution, if I'm saying all that correctly, in the US. Basically, they're the largest financial institution in the US. This company is focused on innovation. They're focused on technology. Plus, they're getting into fintech and they're getting into cryptocurrency. So this company is always focused on lines that they can go ahead and make more revenues in. Plus, as far as their technology goes, guys, I have been working in the financial industries for over the last 7 to 10 years. And I can tell you guys, JPMorgan Chase makes it seamless to go ahead and set up an account with them. And some of the services that they offer are basically second to none, along with their wealth management services. I like how they're not afraid to go ahead and focus on other ideas and other avenues of business to go ahead and grow their bottom line numbers. With this company, they have a good image as far as on the street, and I think this company is going to do extremely well long term, especially as they're going to go ahead and get into more of the fintech space, and as they're going to go ahead and get into cryptocurrency as well. And in my current portfolio, my value in this company is right around $5,000, and I'm up about $1,200 on this one. Now, as far as their stock price goes, they are trading at right around $157. Another company that I easily see going above $200 before the end of this year, especially as long as interest rates stay down. More and more people are going to be borrowing at lower interest rates, and that's at the end of the day just helping these banks earn more money. So this is going to be the fourth one, guys. Now with this company, I do want to also say they do pay out a pretty decent dividend as well. They have a dividend yield of 2.29%. So another company that is also building you cash flow that has the potential for growth. Now, the final one on this list is one of the companies that I actually started in my portfolio with, and this is going to be with Realty Income Corporation, or their ticker symbol is O. Now, I personally love REITs because they do have to pay out 90% of their overall net income to their shareholders in a form of a dividend. Realty Income is a monthly paying dividend stocks. Investors in this company love the stock. I can tell you guys, since I've been in this company, I've only been growing my position in this company because they're one of the best REITs out there. And with this company, what they really focus on is triple net leases. So they have leases with some of the largest companies out there, which include Walmart, Sam's Clubs, 7-Elevens, Walgreens, and even some of the cinemas like Regal Cinemas. So I will say, as the economy is rebounding, this company, I believe, is going to do extremely well. Since I've been buying this company was trading sideways for a little while, but now it's starting to go ahead and climb back up because we're recovering from the pandemic. So I like this company because they pay out a monthly dividend. Plus, they're one of the largest companies when it comes down to real estate investment trusts. And in my current portfolio, this company, the current value is sitting at right around $3,500. I'm up about $1,000 in this company, but I will say this company is currently trading at right around $67. I can easily see their stock price going above $80 before the end of this year, if not more than that. Plus, guys, with this company, they're paying a dividend yield of 4.21%, and that's a dividend of $2.83 for every share. So another one that I really like, especially because it's a monthly paying dividend stock, so it's making me more money every single month because I'm getting some cash. But guys, these are going to be the 5 different stocks that I'm investing in throughout the month of July. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and keep up with everything to do with the stock market, finances, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, I do invest in all these different things. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, it really does help if you don't mind smashing that like button. But I'm going to leave it at that for this video. If you are interested in trading with M1 Finance, that's basically the platform that I like to go ahead and use. I will leave a link down in the description if you guys want to check that out. They do offer you $30 when you're going to set up an account with them. But thank you guys. I'll see you guys at the next one.